Hello everyone and welcome back to 2-Minute English. In today's episode, we are fixing a very common mistake with countable and uncountable nouns. What is countable and uncountable? Countable nouns are nouns that we can count them. For example, apples, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Uncountables are nouns that we cannot count them, such as rice, milk, and cheese. Now listen to this sentence. I have many informations. Sounds okay, but it's wrong. Let's fix it. Information is uncountable, so we do not say informations. We say some information, a lot of information, or a piece of information. For example, can you give me some information about the course? Or she gave me a useful piece of information. The second one. He gave me 2 advices. Is it okay? Of course not. Advice is uncountable. We say he gave me some advice, or he gave me 2 pieces of advice. For more examples are, my teacher gave me good advice, or let me give you a piece of advice. Now, what about the word people? People is countable or uncountable? There are much people here or there are many people here. People is countable, so we use many, a few, or a lot of, not much people. For example, many people like this movie. There are a lot of people in the shop. So now tell me, which one is correct? I need some advices or I need some advice? Excellent, I need some advice. So remember, information and advice are uncountable, people is countable. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more 2-Minute English episodes.